Everybody ready? Cameras out. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to JBL Authentics.
Yes. 3 brand new speakers. Let's have a look at the hero product, the JBL Authentics 500.
Well, basically, our biggest inspiration came from the famous JBL L100, the best-selling loudspeaker ever for JBL 50, 60 years ago. I think when you entered the room, you saw a picture of the famous L100, and basically we gave ourselves a challenge to develop a loudspeaker that is a mix of that legendary 75 years of JBL history with the latest features, the latest technologies, and that's how the Authentic range grow. 10 years ago, we also had a range of Authentics products, so if you all put them nicely next to each other, you see a very nice family retro look, and we're extremely proud of the end result.
Yeah, well, the range consists of 3 speakers. Can you tell a bit more about each one of them?
Yeah. If we start with the 200, which is the most compact that you see here on the, what is it, your right of the screen. Compact speaker, mainly aimed at smaller living rooms, student rooms, kitchens, offices. It's using a 5-inch driver, 2 tweeters for stereo playback. If we then move over to the other side of the screen, the Authentics 300, slightly bigger drivers, 5.25 driver, same setup. You'll immediately see the handle, just to emphasize that this is also a product that has a built-in battery, so that you can take it in and around the house fully portable. Both of the 200 and 300, on the bottom they have a passive radiator for bass extension. And then in the middle, the Authentics 500 that we also just saw in the video, that's basically the top of the line. That's the speaker that is most feature-packed. 270 watts of amplification, 3 horn-loaded tweeters, 3 mid-range drivers, a real active subwoofer on the bottom, and this is also the product that has the Dolby Atmos feature in the product.
Okay, so you say feature-packed. Does it have the latest technologies like in the Partybox Ultimate, for example?
Exactly. If we go back to this platform story, that's how this all started. We try to put as much as the same functionality in these products. All of these products have similar features. The look, of course, of the product is different. They all have their dedicated audio package as well. But if we look at the features such as the Wi-Fi, the automatic tuning, customizable EQ setting, the application, they're all the same as what we have in the Partybox. Also, the way to set up the product through the JBL One app is exactly the same. Streaming music from streaming services, streaming music from either Chromecast built-in, through Apple AirPlay, through Spotify Connect, through Amazon Multi-Room. It's basically everything is covered.
So it's compatible with all those technologies you mentioned?
It's compatible with all these technologies because we want to make sure that we build a product, that we sell a product to consumers that is future-proof. We see a lot happening in the streaming world. If we look at the numbers, to get that number right, $41 billion that market's going to be worth in 2028. That's roughly double as the current size. But what we also see is that a lot of the streaming services, they are trying to convey people away from embedded streaming services. They basically say to us, you're no longer allowed to put your streaming service in your app because we want people to have the experience of our native app. Spotify, for instance, is an example of that. Yep. So we need to make sure that we keep up to date. We need to make sure that also in 2028, people can still use any streaming service that they want, either direct from the native app or from the embedded app in our app. So that's why we're trying to be compatible with everyone.
Well, what if you like this range so much that you just buy all 3 of them? Can you connect them together?
You can absolutely connect them together. It's not the primary function, it's not the primary feature of these products, but if you have indeed a subscription to Google Home, if you're using the Apple Home app, you can easily connect these speakers into a group, put them in different spots around the house, listen to the same music everywhere in the house, or listen to different music in every part of the room. Of course, they're also compatible with all of the other products on the JBL platform, so you can also group with the PartyBox Ultimate, you can group with the Charge 5 Wi-Fi, with the Boombox 3 Wi-Fi. They're also compatible with other non-JBL or non-Harman branded products that are compatible with Chromecast or AirPlay. In the future, we'll be updating the JBL One app so that if people decide to buy two of the same products, they can mix them as a left and right stereo pair. There will be future updates as well for multi-channel, so people that want to build a 5.1 system, they can use the products that are all One app compatible to build their own 5.1.
Everything is possible.
Everything is
If I would
we want to be as open as possible.